Welcome to Bombay Shirt Company. Meet the team, sit in on meetings, feel the excitement. This is life in a startup.
What? What is it, Kunal? What did you do now?
The jacket launch is delayed due to some production issue.
What?
That we'll do that later, but I think they have planned.
Yes, we. Devika, the jackets launch is delayed. It won't launch on
It's
Monday.
Monday.
So no, don't send out the Monday newsletter.
It's scheduled.
It's not happening, but
Thanks, Yules. Nitin,
Yes.
sorry, but you have to stop the newsletter which is going out on Monday
Why?
because Jacket's not
We
launching
have
for
a
now.
replacement now.
But when is it launching?
So, hi guys, we are going to a factory in Umargaon right now. As we are aware, as you are aware that we have been facing some delays on our laser project. That was mainly because of the quality issues what we were finding with our earlier vendor. So, now we have looked for a factory which is having a right infrastructure to cater to different categories and the expansion what we are looking in our portfolio. So yeah, we are making a trip over there. I have already been there. I had some discussions on the product level with them, and we are currently in a stage of sample developments where today design team Kunal is there with me, Neha, Chippy, everyone is coming to the factory to have a review on the samples what they made, and we'll provide them some technical comments and the scope of corrections in these samples, as well as we'll also discuss on some operational points, how we will go with the arrangements, as physically this factory is a bit far away from Mumbai, so how the logistic arrangements will be there on our products and everything. So that's what this trip is meant for. We'll figure out many answers to our questions today. Let's see. Thank you.
So everyone knows that we've delayed the launch of jackets because we wanted to get them perfect in terms of offering as well as fit, as well as customization and all the back-end stuff that's involved in launching a new product. So now we're going to launch with 12 jackets that span different occasions. So we have some casual jackets, some formal jackets, some layering pieces, and different fabrics. So we have formal fabrics like wool, we have utility fabrics like the twill that you may remember from the last time, and then we have super casual fabrics like linen, right? Linen. So summer appropriate.
So when you say layering, you mean some are lightweight and some are thicker weight?
Correct. So like the linen is super lightweight. It doesn't have to be worn like formally, like as you would imagine a jacket to be worn. It can be just thrown on, like you can go to a brunch, etc. That type.
Okay.
So for each of the jackets, we have a styling reference or a reference of a look that we're trying to mimic or that we think will be relevant for our customer.
What is the gap in the current jackets category that we feel that BSC as a brand can fill?
So I think when we think of our Bombay Shirt Company customer, we try to imagine different parts of his day or different occasions that he
Can wear the jacket.
can wear the jacket to.
So basically, it's also our first time of
Maybe we're just
us
covering
doing the
all
jackets
different
as well,
occasions.
right?
We are covering all different occasions, but we're also trying to price them in a way that is not like not gonna be
All the same price?
No, everything think, I mean, it's between 15,000 and 18,000.
So okay, so that's the gap we're filling in the market. Is that it's still a very good fabric, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Much
It's all-
like all of BSC's clothes, it
Correct.
still has that expert tailoring.
It's 60% of the fabrics are from Japan, imported directly from Japan.
The jackets that you get in like a luxury premium brand that you're getting here, same fabrics, lower price point.
Correct. So there's premium fabric, and then there's premium tailoring, and then there's premium fit. It's all
Amazing.
It's all
Amazing.
like
Premium.
premium.
Anybody has any questions?
So
in
anyway,
terms of
we have two like these
Canvas
utility ones, which are
like
more,
those shore jackets.
yeah, they're more like shackety looking things.
It's a different
They
style,
have lots of
different,
pockets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
different sizing
Like a
also,
chore
different
coat.
style also.
But
Why don't you like it?
it is fine. I just found it a because it's not natural.
Issuing country. Yeah. Sure. Smart or not smart? Everything looks smarter. So then chalo have me as a model.
I told you, no, I'll give you a fee. You can buy a laptop.
Yeah, this works, yeah. It's a little short. I'm a little tall.
It's very nice.
Back, so the fall is coming.
Huh?
It's looking
The
good.
fall from the backside is coming very good.
The backside is looking good.
But is this
Fall and back. In laser, it's very important. I know, I understand.
What do you think, Chippy?
I like it. Must be designed by somebody I know. Sneha Modi.
We have a lot to shoot today. There are a lot of jacket editorially product shots that we're doing today. So just busy with that.
Shreya, we have a very similar image to that actually, which we took the other day in the shoot, the beige jacket, and it's falling the same way. And the bottom is just looking a bit too slouchy. Scroll down. It's looking a bit too slouchy. We needed to look a little more premium. So I know it's similar to the reference that we like, but it's not looking premium. Yeah. So is there something else we can utilize?
Yeah, we'll manage
Just change the lighting a bit, but I think don't leave it slouchy. Okay. Yeah. Works.
So it's been about a week, 6 days since we launched our blazers. So we had expected the sales to be okay to begin with, but we've seen about 120% of the sales that we expected. And another thing to note is that we didn't expect any sales online for jackets, but we are getting a good number of orders online. This is one of the best selling jackets that we have. It's a linen jacket. And what we're also seeing is that a lot of repeat purchasers buying jackets, but what we didn't expect again was that we'll gain new customers from this new category that we launched at the price point that we launched it at. but we are seeing about 20% of customers who are buying to be new. So it's a winning situation for us.
It's been a long ride till where we are today. We actually had a major flop when we tried to launch these blazers in October, which is the right time to launch them. But whilst we were manufacturing and had a couple of pilot runs in 1 or 2 stores, we realized we had made a lot of mistakes on fabric, on fit, on cuts, pricing everywhere. So we realized that we were going down the wrong road. Went back to the drawing board, revisited everything, and we've now finally launched a few weeks ago, doing really well. We worked on our fabrics, we've got some new fits happening, we worked on the pricing as well, and it's available now online, Bombay Shirts, www.bombayshirts.com, and across all our stores in India. So in north we've got Delhi, we've got Jaipur, we've got Ahmedabad and Pune, and across 8 stores in Bombay in the west, and Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and now our latest store in Kochi as well. So check us out, visit our stores, get yourself measured, get a touch and feel of the fabrics, you're gonna love it. Cheers.
Hi guys, I hope you liked the video. Please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.